Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Life Mission. For those of you who are new to our channel, we upload motivational and spiritual videos to help you live a better life. These days, we see people are getting confused about how the law of attraction actually works because the terminology that people are using is all like becoming more and more complicated, especially when we are talking about vortex and we are talking about different dimensions and how does it all works. Today, what we are gonna do is going to clarify it all for you so that you can understand the law of attraction in a very simple way. We are gonna get into it, so stay tuned. I just wanna share with you a very simple way to look at the law of attraction because I think a lot of people they overcomplicated it. They overthink it and they end up getting very mixed up to how it actually works. A friend of mine once asked to my master that she was not actually sure how the law of attraction works. She asked master to explain her. So what master did was he just stood there and smiled at her. It was a very awkward moment, but he held that awkward moment. Then my friend was looking a little bit confused for a while. Then she smiled back and master said, "There you go, that is the law of attraction. If you smile, it's likely that someone will smile back." Law of attraction is very simple because what you put out, you get back. If you don't believe this to be the law of attraction, you try looking at the next person, give him a punch in the face, see what's happened. It's likely that he will get angry and give you some anger and some hate back, right? So, if you actually look at the law of attraction, first of all, the first rule is that it is the law of attraction, meaning you don't get a choice. It's happening all the time. So please, nobody ever say the law of attraction is not working for you. When you say that, what happens is you kick that vibration off and they kicks more of that off and you start believing that it's true. Because we need to realize by even saying that and attracting more of that is already the law of attraction. So it's already working for you. How it works is very simple. In a very scientific term, everything is energy. Energy is everything. Thought is what? Vibration. It's energy. It goes up and down. The stronger the vibration, the easier it is to attract something into your life. That's it. So, stronger vibration attracts faster because it's more powerful, like a magnet. Why people say that law of attraction is not working for them? It's because the things that they want to attract is not being attracted. That's why they say it's not working. But it is. Because everything is energy and everything is attracted. And yes, it means the people who you dislike in your reality right now, you attracted them. It means that boyfriend or girlfriend that is not perfect for you, you attracted them. Now you think, how did I attract them? Like I was not asking for that. You weren't consciously asking for it, but it's highly likely that you were subconsciously or unconsciously asking for it. Meaning, you didn't think you were asking for it, but in your subconscious mind somewhere, there might have been some negative thought towards people a certain way, and then you attract more of that. That's why a lot of you who attract relationships after relationships after relationships and you say, why am I attracting all the idiots all the time? Or why they are always like this, right? So you need to start doing this, and this is the starting journey of conscious manifestation. Every time you see something that's not right in your reality, stop pointing the finger outwards. Instead, start pointing the finger inwards. When you change your vibration, the vibrations will attract different vibrations into your reality. Then your reality will change. That's why they say change your thoughts, change your life. So guys, it's just a very short and sweet explanation of the law of attraction for you. And from now, no more saying law of attraction is not working for you because it is. It's just not working in your favor because you are not consciously manifesting it right now. That's all for now guys. If you enjoyed this video or got anything out of it, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button and also remember to subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Sending love and prayers for all. Thanks for watching.